Hi everyone, I'm Kevin Thomas, the high school principal at Canadian International School. At CIS, we nurture curiosity and individuality in an international community with students from over 40 nationalities learning together in a collaborative and inclusive environment. We challenge our learners to think critically, explore boldly, and to push their boundaries through innovation, collaboration, and hands-on learning. And we empower every student to grow into a confident, compassionate global citizen ready to thrive anywhere in the world. Experience it yourself at CIS Open House on November 19th. Meet our team, explore our beautiful campus, and see what makes CIS truly exceptional. Register now.